Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube video doesn't play in Chrome. So let's get started. First things first, open Chrome browser. Once it is opened, click on the top right 3 dots button, then click on Settings from here. Then click on Privacy and Security section, then click on Delete Browsing Data, then click on Advanced section. Then check First 4, then click on Delete Data, then close Chrome. Then click on Windows key plus R key. Then type prefetch. Then click on Continue. Then delete all files in here. Once it is deleted, close this app. Then click on Windows key plus R key. Then type temp here. Then click Enter. Then delete all files here. Then close this app. Then click on Windows key plus R key. Then type %temp% here. Then click Enter. Then delete all files here. This will fix your issue. And that's how you fix YouTube video doesn't play in Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks so much for watching and have a fantastic day.